Welcome to Las Delicias de la Cocina, aka the deliciousness of the kitchen. Today we'll be making corn tostadas with imitation crab, known as Mexican Tostadas de Jaiva. Subscribe to my channel for more videos and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. The ingredients we are going to be using for this recipe are 5 lemons, 1 avocado, 3 tomatoes, 1 onion, 1 cilantro bunch, salt, half the packet of jaiva. We will now shred all our jaiva. Now that we have finished shredding all our jaiva, we will then cut our lemons in half and remove all the seeds. We have now finished cutting and removing the seeds from our lemons. Now we are going to squeeze our lemons into the jaiva. Now that we have finished squeezing our lemons, we are going to mix our jaiva. Since we have finished mixing our jaiva and the lemon, now we are going to cut our tomatoes into square pieces. Since we finished cutting our tomato, now we are going to cut our cilantro. Now that we have finished cutting our cilantro, we are going to cut our avocado into square pieces as shown. We have finished cutting our avocado. Now we're going to move on and cut our onion into square pieces as well. Since we finished cutting all our ingredients, our tomatoes, our cilantro, our avocado, and our onions, we are now going to add it into our jaiva. As you can see, first we started with the tomato, the cilantro, and the avocado and mix it well into our jaiva. We have finished mixing well all these 3 ingredients. We are now going to add our onion into the jaiva and mix it well. Now that we have finished adding all our ingredients of our cilantro, our tomato, our avocado, and our onion, we are now going to add salt to your taste. We are now going to mix our jaiva one more time. Now that we have finished mixing it, it is ready to eat. Hope you guys like this video and enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel for more videos and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe for more videos.